What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. All right, and today I'm gonna drop a little bit of a gem, all right, for you guys. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure that you hit that sub button, all right, and make sure that you come back because your boy is gonna be releasing a whole mess of videos and a lot of giveaways. All right, guys. I promise I'm gonna go ahead and do a $500 account giveaway. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give away an account with $500 in it, so that way one lucky person can trade and get their money up. All right, guys. So make sure that you do that, and then make sure that you click the link in the description. All right, to get Trusted Signals, the #1 trading signal indicator on the planet. All right. Today they just released the Trusted Signal Sniper Support and Resistance. Okay, guys, this thing has been a game changer. All right, as you guys know, I'm in the group of people who get to test this before it actually releases. All right, and when I say that this thing has been a beast, it literally has been. All right, guys. So as you guys can see here, I actually have this on the chart, and if you wanted to go ahead and add this to your chart, all you have to do is click invite only scripts, and if you're a member, all of these will pop out. I've already favored them here. This is all the indicators that they provide, and I know that they're dropping more already. And then on top of that, within these indicators, it has a whole mess of built-in tools as well. All right, so check out my other videos about that. All right, but as you guys can see here, we have 3 key areas of resistance and 3 key areas of support. Now, for me, I personally trade this more so than any specific trade setup on the planet. All right, because support and resistance, as you guys can see here, it is a beautiful price action, and it gives you the ability to hold your trades a little bit longer rather than jumping into a trade in the middle here and you know, having to wait for it to pull back or go the opposite way or whatever. So support and resistance is the most beautiful way to trade, and that's the way I trade. So this indicator is literally a beast because it's fully customizable, and as you guys can see here, it also gives you the ability to see what the key levels are. Okay, so the way I've been using this, okay, is with the first red or the first blue, you're gonna want to use proper risk management for sure. All right, and this is more of a riskier trade. All right, the second one is like a medium risk. All right, and if you want to be very patient, you can wait for the third support or resistance level, and basically this will give you the optimal area for your sniper entry. And as you guys can see here, around this area, around this area, around this area. All right, the bottom one hasn't been tested, but that means that you would not be jumping into any trades within those specific areas because you're becoming a little bit more so to speak you know, less risky, you know. All right, so you're being more patient when you're waiting for it to come to the third location. All right, and as you guys can see here, we are actually in an area where it's actually breaking this area. So on the 15-minute candle, we should be able to potentially take a trade here, okay, unless it's gonna keep on moving forward, and in that case, then the resistance will become support. All right, as always. And if we wanted to go ahead and tap into the 1-minute chart here, all right, what's cool about this indicator, it is fully customizable and it works on pivot points. So high highs and high lows. All right, which that wasn't it. All right, it's right here. And if we go ahead and move this up to maybe around 10, all right, we're gonna go ahead and see this now give you that sniper entry on this end, and we should be looking for a sniper entry on this end for a reversal. All right, guys, so this has been a game changer, and like I said, this is fully customizable, and this can just be added to your trading arsenal on top of your buy sell alerts and the dashboard that it comes with and all the extra stuff within Trusted Signals itself. All right, as you guys can see here, you would have been in a trade here or reaching around this support. All right, and then you're gonna get a buy signal right after, boom. All right, and now we would be waiting for a sell signal within this resistance level to write it back down to support. Okay, guys, so very cool stuff. And like I said, guys, Trusted Signals is on sale at the moment. All right, and if you use my code Chris P, it's gonna also get you an extra $150 off a lifetime. All right, and it comes with a lot more stuff than this. All right, and just take advantage of it, guys. And this is pretty much it for this specific video. All right, I'm gonna do a whole mess of videos for you guys. I just wanted to go ahead and get this out since I know that there's gonna be a lot more videos on this specific product, and it's been a game changer. All right, guys, so make sure that you lock this in because it's on sale. So until the next video, I'm out. Peace.